Welcome to Colourform, the smartest way to start dancing today.
Colour, sound, and science. The Colourform series is a new way to learn how to dance. Start from the beginning as I teach you how to think like a dancer and move more freely on the dance floor. Learn how to read music like a map and how to apply different body parts to elements of the music, including instrumentation, tempo, and rhythm.
Things like the drums and the bass are associated with the feet and the knees. This will give you somewhere to start when you're making your choices on the dance floor.
And why you'll never feel uncomfortable on a dance floor again.
Twist, twist, da, da, da. Hip, hip. Well done.
If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram or via email. Otherwise, I'll see you on the dance floor.
Head to movewithcolour.com to get started today.